Hey guys, so the wastegate showed up from Black Sheep Industries. Hopefully you guys can read that. Looks, the lights shine on it pretty good. Anyways, so I got the 45 mil wastegate from Black Sheep Industries over at Nick. Remember, 5% off if you use CUTTERUP all caps from everything on his site except for turbos. Thought I'd give them a plug there. So this is the turbo or the wastegate. These actually are really nice wastegates. I do have, I'll have to find it. No, actually, I guess it's on the first gen. But I do have a 45 mil gate on the first gen, but it's a, I can't think of the brand. Anyways, doesn't matter. So this is the wastegate we're using on the shorty build. Now, when it comes in the kits, it comes with this card, which tells you your spring description and stuff. Now the gate comes with the 3 springs. It comes with red, yellow, and blue. So the red is inside there, yellow, blue. And then it comes with, which one nice thing I really like about these is it comes with your inlet flange if you're mounting it onto something. The discharge flange, which if you want extras, he has both of them in stock. Most of the time, I shouldn't say all the time. It comes with the clamps. You can also buy extra clamps, which I would recommend because if you break a clamp, it really sucks. You can't drive. And I will give a reminder, make sure you put anti-seize on these on the bolts on the clamps. Otherwise, they bung up. All clamps are that way. Any stainless steel clamps, always put anti-seize. Now, these clamps do come with 2 nuts, which is nice because one is a lock nut. And then the other one is just a regular nut. So usually I just use this with the anti-seize still for taking on and off. And then when I'm done, I tighten this one on, put the lock on. There again, make sure you put anti-seize. Killing a dead horse. Your nipples for your gate and a plug, and then O-rings. Comes with your wrenches. And what else? Oh, and then it comes with the sealing, which there again, or your sealing flange. There's probably a different name for it, but basically that's what the actual little valve sits on top of. And you can also buy extra ones of these from him on the website. So this one was, they're $350 Canadian. So, and that's regular price. So they are a nice piece for the price, 100%. I will be probably, well, we're putting one on this. Turbo Smart, that's the other one. The one on the first gen, I'll probably use that one because I already have it. Unless I have problems with it, then I'll switch over to one of Nick's. And what else we got? The next, on the international, when we do compounds in the international, I probably won't use an external gate, but I will be using one. I'll be using his flanges and one of his turbochargers in the compounds. Anyways, Nick's good guy. Check him out. Anyways, let's go over to the truck and we're going to make up the pipe. So lots of guys call them hater pipes, whatever you may be. The external wastegate pipe that goes from the external wastegate. Mine is going to tie into my downpipe because I don't want it to dump in the engine bay or around the engine bay. I don't need it. I don't need that. So we will go over and do that. Remember, 5% off. Everything Black Sheep Industries except for turbos, 5% off. And the code is CUTTERUP, all caps. Like I said before, you can buy all your flanges, all kinds of stuff, aluminum, stainless. He's got all kinds of stuff. Go check him out for you guys that are fabricating stuff.
Hey guys, I wanted to add a little bit of stuff to the end of that video, so I kind of cut it off there. The body is casted as stainless steel, just like the Turbo Smart one, and they are very nice pieces. I do like them. They're easy to service, a little bit easier to work on than I think anyway, than the Turbo Smart, but maybe I'm a little bit biased to that. And the parts are easy to find and get for Nick's. If you need anything for it, you give him a call, he'll hook you up. So just thought I would let you guys know. Also, I wanted to mention too that I am not sponsored by Black Sheep Industries. This is just something I'm trying to help him out grow his business, and I like his products. So just thought I'd throw that out there. As it stands right now, there is not an affiliation. He's just giving you guys 5% off. Anyways, go over, check his website out, Black Sheep Industries, and remember, it's not rocket science.